Hey guys, this is Lucy Super Truck, aka LST04 on RC Sparks. This is my Axial SCX10 honcho. It originally was an RTR, but I put a sidewinder in it, which is not in here at the moment because I loaned it to my friend because it was not. It really was designed more for more SCT applications anyway. So yeah. After I put that motor in there, the first day I took it out, the drag brake was set way up, so it started making this. I think the day after that, it started making this weird noise, and it was popping. I thought it might have been the idler gear, but it really isn't because none of the gears are stripped or anything. So yeah, it's making a weird popping noise somewhere in the drivetrain, and I really can't address it. And I've been trying to figure out what it is, but I can't figure out what it is. So yeah, if you can hear it, you can listen to the noise right here. You can hear it, right? That popping noise. I really just want to find out what it is so I can just get it fixed and so it stops making that noise. You want to hear it one more time? Yeah, right there. That was good. Right there. Yeah, that was a perfect example. So yeah, it seems to be getting worse now. So yeah, I would really love to get this thing fixed because I love trail driving and it is a blast and I just love doing it. After, if I can get this fixed, or if I have to get new parts, I think I'm gonna start waterproofing it. I'm not too sure what method I should use, but I'm gonna at least waterproof the servos that sit down so low. But yeah, so yeah, if anybody knows what that pop noise is, right there, please tell me. Since this video is gonna be on RC Sparks, you should just throw it down in the post down there or on YouTube if you also know what that popping noise is. So yeah, thanks for watching and talk to you guys later.